Welcome. You're watching Markets Today. I'm Sakshi Batra, and this is where we talk all about the stock market's opening action, how the new week has begun of trade, and what can you really expect from stock markets going forward into this week. All of that I will discuss with you over the next 4 to 5 minutes. Let's start off with the opening action first. Well, it's a very strong opening that we've seen. The Sensex first jump 200 points right in the opening trade. It has now reclaimed the 59,000 mark. Nifty has now topped 17,600 yet again. About 200 points up is what the Nifty is trading at right now. So a strong start right there. Apart from the Nifty and the Sensex right here, if you talk about the mid cap and the small cap indices, both are up by 0.4% in trade as well. The small cap index right now is outperforming with 0.8% of a gain. The India VIX is also higher by 1.3%. It is right now at 19.8. So keep an eye out for some volatility. Right now, the market breadth is favoring the advances with 33 stocks of the Nifty in green, 17 stocks in the red, which are the top five gainers at this moment right in the early trade. Well, it's the metal stocks that are shining bright. Hindalco, JSW Steel, all top gainers. Apart from it, it is the ICICI Bank counter, the Tech Mahindra, Advanced, Reliance Industries, all contributing to the gains in the markets right now. What's dragging the street is Divis Laboratories down 1%, Shree Cement, Power Grid, Nestle, Eicher Motors dragging the street sentiments right now. About a 1% up move can also be seen on the jewelry bag, some gains on the banking space as well, 0.5% gain for the IT pack as well as we speak right now. Which are the top stocks that are in focus? Well, Paytm is down in trade. Suzlon has jumped 15%. Reliance Industries, NDTV, ICICI Bank, and Yes Bank, they're all the stocks to watch out for in the early trading action as well. Well, of course, we do see stocks like Paytm, Kank Power or Landco, a coal-based power project for about 1960 crore rupees with a cash up front, and that is pushing up the stock higher today. NDTV is in focus. Adani Group has clarified on the tentative open offer for a 26% stake that would open on October 27, subject to SEBI approval. Keep that stock in notice as far as the developing action continues. ICICI Bank plans to raise up to 10,000 crores through infrastructure bonds for project financing and affordable housing. Rating agency ICRA has assigned a AAA rating to the proposed infrastructure bond by the lender. So positive uptake for ICICI Bank, news flow coming in. TCS is in focus. The IT major has put a stop on its anniversary hikes for lateral hires who complete a year at the company with effect from 1st April. Instead, the company will now follow the industry norm of anniversary hike. According to sources, we know the anniversary salary hike will be given to freshers as usual. So keep that stock also in focus. The stock may react to the news on the negative side. Well, shares of Shapoorji Pallonji Group are going to be in focus following the tragic death of Cyrus Mistry in a car accident yesterday. That's going to be keeping in focus. So most of the Shapoorji Pallonji Group stocks that are listed on the stock. So in case you hold some of these stocks, keep those in markets may be on a vulnerable note, so one needs to be cautious while they approach the stock markets right now. Although they are rising, the India wicks will play a part. Also the global market cues will be important to track because we do not right now have a very positive trigger that may take markets much higher from the current levels, as the valuations is a bigger problem right now, which most of the experts are keeping a keen eye out on, because the markets have run up, they're performing better than the other emerging markets, and the Indian markets may be headed for some steep valuations and may hit that block going forward from here. Right now, comfortably higher on the markets, and since today is Teachers' Day as well, let me leave you with the most powerful quote that I believe that Warren Buffett has said, the market guru, the legendary investor that all of us in the world of stock markets already look up to for his investment ideas and the thought behind the investments in stock markets. The quote that I really liked from him is that the best investment you can make is an investment in yourself. The more you learn, the more you will learn. I'll leave you with that thought as I wrap up this edition of Markets Today. But do stay tuned throughout the day. You'll catch up on fantastic news updates from the world of business and stock markets. So don't go anywhere and stay tuned onto Business Today TV. Thanks a lot for tuning in. For now.